I had the idea about 2 years ago when we first started using this nylon material with carbon fibre, and we realised that the strength of the material and its temperature properties were going to enable us to do more and more exciting stuff in engineering. This year, with the advent of COVID, we decided we had a bit of time on our hands in the summer, and we decided to see if we could actually do it. Once you've got the design, you can print a vehicle every 2 days or so. I think that for certain vehicle types, this is definitely the way that vehicles could be built. Well, we've proven that it's possible to drive a vehicle printed this way, and I think in the future we're going to see a lot more of this.